Hey everyone, this is Neha Vijay. Welcome in biochemistry theory class. Today's topic is nucleic acid. What's the nucleic acid? Nucleic acid are the stories, transmission and translation of genetic materials, parent to child. Was nucleic acid first discovered? A scientist name is Friedrich Mischer. Yes, in 1871. Nucleic acid are the largest and most complex molecule. Nucleic acid is also macromolecules. It is found in all cells. It is precipitate for storage, transmission and translation of genetic information. This is two types nucleic acid, RNA and DNA. RNA is ribose nucleic acid and DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid. When it hydrolyzes, it yields sugar, ribose and deoxyribose respectively. Nucleic acid first isolated from the nucleus, that's why its name is nucleic acid. कंपोजिशन किस किस से मिलके बना है? इट्स कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन एंड फॉस्फोरस. इट्स मॉलिक्यूलर वेट इज हाई, मीन्स 1286 to 3. How much proportions? Nitrogen is 15 to 16%, phosphorus 9 to 10%. When hydrolyzed, it's either an enzyme by dilute acid or alkalis. Nucleic acids yield a group of compound is known as nucleotides. Like nucleic acid is made up with the nucleotides. Nucleotide is also made up with the phosphoric acid nucleoside and nucleosides. It's composed with 3 sugar, ribose and deoxyribose, purine, adenine and guanine, pyrimidine, cytosine, uracil and thymine. Properties. What's the properties? Property means it is insoluble in alcohol, slightly soluble in cold water, but readily dissolve. बहुत जल्दी घुल जाता है गर्म पानी में. Dilute alkalis and forming alkali salts. They are precipitated by HCl. If excess, then it is use acetic acid. Fuigan test क्या है? Fuigan test is also known as Fuigan stain test. In this we use for differentiate between DNA and RNA. If red color stain is present, then it is deoxyribose sugar. If it is not, means ribose sugar do not exhibit this reaction. न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स क्या है? मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ हेरिडिटी, मैक्रोमॉलिक्यूल्स मेड अप किससे मिलकर बने होते हैं? डीएनए और आरएनए. आरएनए इज आल्सो डिवाइडेड इन 3 पार्ट्स. एमआरएनए मैसेंजर आरएनए, टीआरए ट्रांसफर आरएनए, आरएनए राइबोसोमल आरएनए. न्यूक्लिक एसिड, if we discuss about the function, DNA function information storage of genetic material. Ribose nucleic acid is work as a protein synthesis. ATP and NAD is the energy transfer. Adenosine triphosphate and nucleotinamide adenine dinucleotides. न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स न्यूक्लिक एसिड क्या है? किस किस से मिलके बने हैं? कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस. न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स it's also composed with 3 sugar phosphate group, and I will discuss one by one. Nucleotides. First nucleotide is made up with the 3 means carbon ring, carbon sugar and phosphate groups. Yes, nitrogenous base क्या है? This and the 3 you always remember nucleotide is made up with 3 components: nitrogenous base, ribose sugar, 5 carbon sugar and phosphoric acid, phosphate group. I will discuss one by one. First one is nitrogenous base. Yes, nitrogenous base is 2 types: purine and pyrimidine. Purine is also divided into adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine is composed with 3: thymine, cytosine and uracil. Was the same and what is the different? Please see this. DNA is composed with adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine, and RNA is composed with the adenine, uracil, cytosine and guanine. Adenine, cytosine and guanine are the same, but thymine and uracil is different. Yes, thymine is present in DNA and uracil is present in RNA. Nucleic acid difference in the sugar. Second one is sugar. First one is nitrogenous base, purine and pyrimidine have discussed. And next sugar, 5 कार्बन शुगर जिसको हम राइबोज शुगर बोल रहे हैं. व्हाट इज दिस? डीएनए कंटेन 2-deoxyribose, आरएनए कंटेन राइबोज. यस. Why we are using deoxy? Deoxy means it is referred to fact that there is no oxygen attached to the second carbon. That's why its name is deoxy. And ribose, RNA is ribose. What only difference? What the difference? Absence of or presence of hydroxyl group. Deoxy, in this no oxygen attached, and ribose is oxygen attached, means it is hydroxyl and it is non-hydroxy. This OH, very important, please remember, this OH is RNA less stable, DNA is stable, and because of this OH, RNA is less stable and easily degraded. That's why we also say RNA is a transit molecule. Third one is nucleotides in phosphate group. Third one, first is nitrogenous base, second ribose sugar, and third is phosphate group. What is the phosphate group? It is found in the phospholipids. HPO4. क्या चीज़ है HPO4? हाइड्रोजन फॉस्फेट, हाइड्रोजन बेस फॉस्फेट, हाइड्रोजन फॉस्फेट आयन, इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट ग्रुप. एज यू डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. फाउंड बिटवीन द टू न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. दो न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स के बीच में है. बट शुगर इज द फॉस्फेट बैक्ड बिकॉज इट इज डायरेक्टली अटैच विद द शुगर. दैट्स वाई शुगर इज द बैकबोन ऑफ फॉस्फेट ग्रुप. बायोलॉजिकल रोल्स क्या क्या है? It is used in cancer, cardiovascular and autoimmune disease. Cardiovascular means heart disease. What is the autoimmune disease? Autoimmune disease, a disease in which body immune system attack healthy cells. Yes. Examples: fatigue, joint pain, skinny, dry palates, red rashes, etc. यदि हम हाई डिजीज की बात करें तो सिकल सेल एनीमिया, जिसको हम डाउन सिंड्रोम भी कहते हैं. And pharmaceutical perspective, nucleic acid based on the complex account. Gene therapy. What is the gene therapy? Gene therapy when DNA is introduced into a parent to treat a genetic disease. Means gene therapy में क्या है? DNA को patient की body में introduce कराया जाता है कोई भी genetic disease को treat करने. This is the gene therapy. Yes, it is internationally acclaimed. Scientists discuss the potential use of lipids, peptides and polymers for the वीवो डिलीवरी ऑफ न्यूक्लिक एसिड. वीवो डिलीवरी ऑफ न्यूक्लिक एसिड समझिए क्या है? इन विच शॉर्ट इंटरफेयरिंग ऑफ आरएनए. यस, siRNA भी बोलते हैं, शॉर्ट इंटरफेयरिंग ऑफ आरएनए. यस, इंटरसेल्यूलर, अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरसेल्यूलर कंट्रोल जीन रेगुलेशंस, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, ट्रांसलेशन एंड रेप्लिकेशन. दिस ऑल आर द फंक्शन ऑफ द न्यूक्लिक एसिड. यदि हम बात करें फंक्शन ऑफ डीएनए, आरएनए एंड एनर्जी फॉस्फेट की, देन डीएनए इज द परमानेंट स्टोरेज ऑफ जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन. फर्स्ट, डीएनए कंट्रोल ऑफ सिंथेसिस ऑफ आरएनए. द सीक्वेंस ऑफ नाइट्रोजनस बेस इज ऑल्सो डेवलपमेंट न्यू सेल, प्रोटीन डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द न्यू सेल. द फंक्शन ऑफ डीएनए इज ऑल्सो डबल हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर है. मीन्स यदि इट इज़ वर्क प्रॉपरली, यदि डीएनए से जो डोटर सेल्स है यदि प्रॉपरली हेलिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन हुआ है तो देयर इज नो डिसऑर्डर, कोई भी डिसऑर्डर नहीं होगा. यदि ये डबल हेलिकल जो स्ट्रक्चर है इट इज़ फॉर्म बाय यूनिक फॉर्म बाय एंश्योर, देन it determine there is no disorder occur. This is because second identical strand, yes, this is the 3 to 5 and this is 3 to 5. ये जो second helical structure है it is the copy of 3 to 5. This is the backup in case of any lost or destroy of the genetic information. एग्जाम्पल दिया है सिकल सेल एनीमिया या फिर डाउन सिंड्रोम. अब नेक्स्ट वन इज फंक्शन ऑफ आरएनए. डीएनए की बात कर चुके हैं. आरएनए डीएनए से सिंथेसिस होता है और प्रोटीन फॉर द बिल्डिंग ऑफ द प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल. आरएनए इज ऑल्सो सिंथेसिस ऑफ न्यू प्रोटीन, ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ जेनेटिक मटीरियल्स. एमआरएनए मैसेंजर राइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड इज एम मतलब मैसेंजर, ट्रांसफर द जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन थ्रू द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. Nucleic acid is especially DNA vital, very essential role in the human body. What is the mitosis, meiosis and providing energy? Yes, mitosis. What the mitosis? Mitosis when during the cell division chromosomes are contained the nucleus, parent cell is duplicated. Yes, same बात. यदि इसी से ही दो डॉटर सेल्स बनेंगी, ये दो डॉटर सेल इज द copy of the parent cell. It is identical and it is give the genetic information of the parent cell. This is possible when it is possible because nucleic acid is create identical copies. Yes, this molecule known as this process is known as mitosis. Mitosis is very essential in the life because it replaces the damaged or dead cell or repair tissue, and it allow body to grow. Yes, we already discussed about the gene therapy. Same, this is if patient is not covered, then we introduce new DNA, parent DNA in the patient to treat the genetic disease. This is the mitosis. What's the meiosis? Another use of the nucleic acid duplication means in this process C-sex cell created in which nucleic acid is meiosis. When impossible, then it was reproduction. Meiosis for the important or the reproduction. When last one is providing energy, what's the form? ATP and NAD. ATP is the adenosine triphosphate. ATP कैसे बनता है? ATP is formed with the nitrogenous base is adenosine and ribose. If you have any doubt, any query, please comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. Please like, comment and share and subscribe for my new video.